সংলাপ টিভি, আজ এবং আগামীর ভাবনা।
Dear little learners, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also fine. Last night I have written a very interesting poem for you or rhymes for you. Now I am going to show you. I request everyone to sit in front of the TV to observe or to enjoy the rhymes. Now I am going to start. Please, everybody please follow. Nurmati dancing thin then we start ek doi tin. After jumping char pasoy, quickly coming sat at noy. Ek doi tin char pasoy sat at noy. Now stop by number 1, 2, 3. Okay. I have drawn a very fantastic picture for you. I request everyone to observe the picture. I am going to display it on the board. I have a picture in my hand. It is disordered. Now everybody have to make it according. Everybody have to complete this picture according to the actual order. It's a picture of a man, but it's not a complete picture. If we rearrange the picture, then it will be a complete picture of a man. So we are going to rearrange the picture to make a complete picture of complete man. This is head. We have to take it at the top. Then this is leg. We should set it at the bottom. This is the bottom part of our body. Now it's a meaningful picture now. After rearranging all parts of the body, I have made a complete man here. It's a complete picture and it is meaningful. And you should remember one thing, that there are some words also at the left side and at the right side. Also 2 words at the top of the head and at the bottom of the leg. If we also rearrange these words to make complete sentence. Karim is a good student. Karim is a good student. What class do you read in? ELG. These letters are not rearranged. These are in disordered. Now we are going to rearrange the letters to make a word. LEG. Leg. This is leg. DEHA. If we rearrange, we will get HEAD. Head. Head means mata. Head means mata. HEAD. Head. And the word LEG. Leg. And the sentences are: Karim is a good boy. What class do you read in? These words and these pictures are in disorder. After rearranging the parts of the body, or after rearranging the words, or after rearranging the letters, we make a complete picture, complete sentence and a meaningful word. And that is why the name of today's topics is rearrange. Our today's topics is rearrange. Rearrange. Before explaining rearrange, I want to provide about the classification of rearrange. Now come to explain classification of rearrange. There are various types of rearranges. One is jumble word, jumble sentence. In respect of jumble sentence, for our examination, we get two types of jumble sentences. One is affirmative sentence and another is interrogative sentence. But remember one thing, that we have 5 types of sentences. Among those 5 types of sentences, these two are especially important for our exam. So we will explain these 2 types, that is assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. While we provide you the picture, at the bottom of the picture we get a word leg, L-E-G, L-E-G. But after rearranging, we get leg. Also at the top of the head, we get another word, head, H-E-A-D. After rearranging the letters, we get the word head. Jumble word. Jumble, what is jumble word? In a word, there have so many letters. If the letters are not in orderly or in disorder, then we have to rearrange the letters to make a complete or meaningful word. To make a meaningful word, and this is called jumble word. In jumble sentence, you will get the words in disorder. In this respect, you or we have to rearrange the words to make a complete sentence or meaningful sentence. These are assertive sentence and interrogative sentence, though there are 5 types of sentences. These 2 are important. Now I am going to everybody please look at the board. This is a word, but this is not meaningful word. The letters of the word are in disorder. Now we have to rearrange the letters to make a meaningful word. Everybody please follow. We are going to make a meaningful word by rearranging the letters. Everybody look at the board. E, D, U, E, D, U, C, A, T, I, O, N. Education. E, D, U, C, A, T, I, O, N. Education. Again. By rearranging the letters, we get the word education. Then these letters are also in disorder. Now we are going to rearrange the letters to make a complete or meaningful word. Everybody look at the board again. The complete word is Bangladesh. B-A-N-G-L-A-D-E-S-H. Bangladesh. After rearranging the letters of this word, we find a meaningful word, Bangladesh. And this type of rearrange is called jumble word. Jumble word. In your exam, you will get minimum one word, one jumble word, and that is why you have to take a preparation for the exam in this way. Now, come to explain another thing. Now, painter A. Sultan Islam is famous. In this sentence, the words are scattered or the words are not in order. We have to rearrange the words to make a complete sentence. Everybody look at the board, please. The first one is what? Painter A. Sultan Islam is famous. We can take it in this way. Islam Sultan is a famous painter. Islam Sultan is a famous painter. Okay. Now come to the second. To loved Sultan draw. I am going to rearrange the words in this way. Sultan loved to draw. Sultan loved to draw. Okay, number 3. He died at hospital Jashore. I request everyone, please think and try yourself to rearrange the words to make complete sentence or meaningful sentence. Okay? Are you trying? Yes. Now everybody, I am helping you. He died in hospital. Sorry, he died at hospital in Jashore. He died at hospital in Jashore. In Jashore. Okay. You please, everybody note down please. Now come to the last one. Number 4. Kolkata study wanted he to at. Now I am going to help you. I request you think yourself and you try yourself to rearrange the words to make a complete sentence. Yes, I am going to help you. He wanted to study at Kolkata. He wanted study at Kolkata. Okay. Again, please. Islam Sultan is a famous painter. Sultan loved to draw. He died at hospital in Jashore. He wanted to study at Calcutta. Okay. Now come to, these are assertive sentences. These are assertive sentences. Now come to explain interrogative sentence. Okay. How old are you now? How old are you now? These are in order. Now I am going to make it disorder. In your question, you will get in this way. You old how are? You old how are? After rearranging these rearranging these words, we will get how old are you now? How old are you now? Okay? Then gone have white you there. By rearranging these words, we get why have you gone there? Number 3. This of name is what the reader. By rearranging these words, we get what is the name of this river. What is the name of this river? Now, come to number 4. Going are where you now. By rearranging the words of this sentence, we can get the sentence where are you going now. Going are where you now. By rearranging these words, we get where are you going now. In this way, I request everyone to practice at your home. Now, we have come near about the end of the class. Everybody be aware about COVID-19, but it is very dangerous for us, and that is why I request everyone, say, keep yourself safe from COVID-19. Always try to wash your hands again and again with soap. Now, we have come near about the end of the class. I want to give you some task for home. Going are where you. While you stay at your home, I request everyone to complete this home task, and also I request the guardians to help their issues so that they can continue this home task. Going are where you. For your help, I am going to giving the solution orally, and you please be attentive. Where are you going? Where are you going? The next. Don't run in the sun. This is orally. Now you have to make it disorder. Suppose run, don't, in, sun, the. And this disordered words will be rearranged in this way. Don't run in the sun. Don't run in the sun. Now come to the last. This is jumble word. M-H-I-F-S-E-R-N-A. The word is fisherman. Fisherman. F-I-S-H-E-R-M-A-N. Fisherman. Okay. Here I only help you. I request everyone to complete this at your home. Now we are near about the end of the class. Before ending the class, I want to show you a very interesting thing so that you can get a lot of pleasure. Okay? Rainy, rainy, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rainy, rainy, go away. Again, rainy, rainy, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rainy, rainy, go away. Now we are going. Thank you all.
সংলাপ টিভি, আজ এবং আগামীর ভাবনা।